Hello, guys. Good evening, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm doing this on my YouTube channel based on the request from most of you guys. So I've just decided to do like a mock-up class on how to use the Trading 212 app. I'll be as quick as I can and as concise as possible. Okay, on my screen, you can see the front page of the Trading 212 app. So when you go to your Google Play Store, you just type in on the search button Trading 212, and it's going to pop up the symbol. You're going to see Trading 212. It's like a triangle without any base inside of a black box. So that's what the symbol looks like. So you search for that in the Google Play Store and it's going to pop up. You click on it. When you do, I think this page you are seeing on my screen is going to come up on your own screen. So because I already have an account with them, I have the option of logging in. But for you that you're just starting out, or you just starting to use this app, all you need to do is to click on open account. So when you click on the open account, there are two options: the real money and the practice. Before I get there, if you come to this side of the screen, you will notice it's written Trading 212 Invest. So there are different products. There are different products when it comes to the Trading 212 app. There's Trading 212 for Invest. There's Trading 212 for ISA accounts. And I think there's Trading 212 for, yeah, you can see it on my screen. There's Trading 212 for Invest, Trading 212 for ISA, and then Trading 212 for CFD. So depending on the one you wish to use, but for you guys that wants to invest in the stock market, I think what you should use is the Trading 212. So I'm going to click on it. So once you click on that, it will take you to that page where I was initially. So here we come. Then, like I was trying to say, you click on open account. Open account, and then there are two options: real money and practice. Because I already have an account, so I'm not going to be using the real money. I'll go to practice. So you see how to set up your account. So unfortunately, I'm being asked for my email and password. I'm going to put in an email to use. I'm just trying to type my email address. Oh, see, they're already saying email already in use. So let me see if I can use a second address, email address. I hope this works. Okay, and then you click practice for free. So here we go. It comes up, this page comes up. You see again the trading 212 CFD and trading 212 invest. So what you are going to choose is the trading 212 invest. So, and because it's a demo account, like a practice account, below the screen you can see you can switch between accounts at any time. However, that's not what I'm doing. I already have an account, so I'll just click on start investing. It's as simple as this. All you just need to do is to follow this simple step, and hopefully you wouldn't have any problem setting up your own account. So I think my internet connection is a bit slow, so I'm just waiting for it to load. Yeah, it's loading now. Yeah, it's not really difficult. It's quite straightforward and, user friendly. That's one good thing about the Trading 212 app. And they've got a good customer service. So at any point you can easily, email them and they will give you a feedback on whatsoever problem you are reporting to them might be. I'm still waiting for my Trading 212 invest to load. Oh, awesome. It's loading now. So as you can see, what's coming up on my screen, we are assuming this is a real account. So there are different options you can see here. Still trying to load fully. Okay, it's coming up. It's coming up. Hang on, guys. Yeah, it's as easy as this, really. So this is like a chart showing the price movement. When you look at towards the top right of the screen where my cursor is, you see a particular stock that has been selected. So the stock we are looking at here is Tesla. A disclaimer, a quick one, you shouldn't take this to be an investment advice. It's only a demo account just to show you how to set up your own account. So do not regard anything I'm saying here as an investment advice, please. So as you can see, there's Tesla. So that's because that's what's being picked. So you can choose between different apps, different stock, I mean to say. So this is the graph for Apple stock. So this is just like a graphical representation of the price movement of a particular stock over time. So the case study here is Apple stock. So towards the left-hand side of the screen, you can see there are some things there. Apple is the name of the company. The half-eaten apple in the black box is the company's logo. Behind it, or underneath it, I mean to say, gives you the company symbol which they are trading with. That's like an abbreviation in a layman language, a kind of a shorter form of their name in the stock exchange. So next to it is stock, which is what we are dealing with, stock. And then next to it, it says US, meaning this stock is the company is in the United States. So what else should I show you? So at the top right hand, at the top right side of my screen, you see something that's called invest. It's just to show you. Let me click on it so that you see. So it's just to tell you how much you have. It gives you the history, and then there's some learning resource for you to also use. So due to this is a demo account, a practice account. So as you can see on this middle part of my screen, it's showing £50,000, which is like a fake money in quotes, you can use in practicing. So coming over to the main graph, there are different tools you can use, to play with. First, there is buy. So this buy is when you're interested in a particular stock, you just click on it. So when you click on it, this pops up. And what are you expected of? If you want to buy, because there's something called fractional shares. So it means you can buy lower than 1 unit of a share if you don't have up to the amount for the cost of that share. So let's say we want to buy 10 Apple shares. So I'll just type 10 and then it comes up. Underneath the 10, you see the total cost for buying the share. Sorry, the demo account is in euros, not pounds, and pardon me. So this is the total cost for buying 10 Apple shares at this price. So it's equivalent to 960.63 euros to get 10 Apple shares. So if that's what you really want, and another thing you should note, if you look closely, the estimate of the euro is changing constantly. Why is it changing? It's only reflecting the current market price. Remember what I talked about in the investment class about foreign exchange? So it changes in split seconds. As you can see, it's continuously changing, just so you know that. So I'm buying 10 Apple stocks or 10 Apple shares. So what next? You click on review order. So when you click on the review order, you see, what you buying. You see it's buying, you are buying Apple shares, the other type, market buy. There are different types of market order. I'm going to come to that later on. Number of shares you want to buy, then the cost, 960.67 euros. The commission is free. There are some brokers that will charge you for each stock you want to buy. Luckily enough for trading 212, it's free of charge, so you can buy as many stock as you want and you're not going to be charged a penny for it. So I'll click on the buy order. So at the top right hand, you saw that notification that popped up, buy order placed. So we can click here to see our activity, what we've been doing so far. So at the lower part, you see the Apple. Trying to show you some things. Yeah, so successfully placed an order to get the Apple shares. So coming down to my screen at the lower left end, you're going to see something that looks like a clock per se. I'm going to click on it. So it's showing pending orders. So because I placed an order to buy 10 Apple shares. So why is it pending? Remember what I said in the investment class. As long as the market is open, you can place your order. If the market is closed, you can place order, but the order is not going to be executed. It's going to wait until the market reopens. And when the market reopens, you can now buy more your order will be executed at that current price. So for now, because the market is closed, the order is pending. So until when the market reopens in the morning. So that's it. When you want to buy stock, you just follow that simple process. You set up your account as I've shown you, and you just follow the process. I'm going to do a second example so you see, and then that will be it. In subsequent videos, I'm going to go into more advanced things, how you're going to look at some metrics that is being displayed on the Trading 212 app. So let's see if we can also place an order for Tesla stock. So I'll click on Tesla. So let's say I want to get some Tesla stock. So you come to the left hand of your screen and click on buy. Hope you are following, guys. If you are following, I need you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and like our video as well. And you can also share. If you've got any question, just ask us in the comment section, and I'll be very willing to, answer your every question. So I want to buy, assuming I want to get 5 Tesla stocks. So I click 5, and the estimate amount or the estimated cost for getting 5 Tesla stock shows below. And if you look at the left side, look towards the left of the 5, you will see something that looks like $1 cash. So it tells you the green circle when there's insufficient fund in your account, it's going to show something like red to indicate there is an insufficient fund. Okay, let me see if I can place an order that will make that come up. Let's say I want to buy 10,000 Tesla stock. I think I still have up to that amount. Let's see the review order. Oh, you see, so at the top of the 10,000, see what's saying? You don't have sufficient funds to trade. So you can see it's not the green surrounding the circle, it's no longer there, indicating I don't have sufficient funds to place an order for this amount of shares. So what am I going to do? I'm going to review my order to place a lower order that is within the amount I have in my Trading 212 account. So let's go with 10. So you can see 10 falls within the residual amount I've got in my app, in my Trading 212 account. So you review order as usual, and then it comes up again, then you send buy order. And you see at the lower part of my screen, you can see Tesla. It's also a pending order because the market is closed. So whenever the market reopens, they're going to review the order and then execute my order. So guys, that's it. So another thing quickly, you can see my account value at the lower end of my screen to the right. Account value, you can see is 50,000 euros. Free fund is 45,000, about 899 euros. So it means I've used up about 4,100 and something euros from my account value. So these are some of the basic tools and basic way you can set up your Trading 212 account and then place the buy order and sell order. Hopefully by tomorrow, when the order is going to be executed, I'm going to do another video to show you how you can sell your position for any particular share you possess. And then we'll also look at some other metrics on the Trading 212 app. So guys, that's it. I hope this has been helpful to you. If it has, I would like you to give us a thumb up and then like our YouTube page, share to your friends, and also, most importantly, if there's any question you've got for us, just drop it in the comment section and we'll be very, very glad to do justice to all your questions. See you next time, guys. Invest wisely, invest with knowledge. See you at the top. Bye.